Okay, the first Unit 8 algebra skill is adding polynomials. You haven't done that in a while, but you have worked a lot with equations with x. So if I had an equation like 2x plus 5 is equal to 4x, or maybe negative 2x plus 5 is equal to 4x, the first thing we would do is add 2x to both sides, and that would lead to 5 equals 6x. And my point here is that when you're doing that, these x's are all x to the first power. And so when you added 4x plus 2x, you still got 6x to the first power. You did not get 6x squared. So when you're combining terms, x plus x or x minus x, you do not change the exponents. All the exponents stay the same. So for this problem, what we're going to do is look for things that we can combine. We can do a 2x squared, and we're going to add that to a negative 3x squared. So 2x squared plus negative 3x squared gives you negative 1x squared. Then I look at my linear terms. I have a positive 3x plus x. So 3x plus x is 4x. It's positive, so make it a plus. And then I have a negative 4 plus positive 6. So negative 4 plus 6 gives me a positive 2, so I put that a plus, and that would be the answer to your addition problem. We can also do subtraction as a skill for Unit 8. Notice we have a subtract sign in the middle, and so we have to treat that subtract sign very carefully. If I do the same strategy I had last time, I have a 3x squared, but I'm subtracting a negative 5x squared. So 3x squared minus a negative 5x squared. Well, minus negative is plus, so 3x squared plus 5x squared is 8x squared. I have a negative 4x minus a positive 3x. So that's the same as negative 4x minus 3x, which is negative 7x. And then finally, I have a negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So when I subtract, I have to make sure I subtract each part. Notice that I subtracted the 2, and so the 2 wound up being minus 2. I subtracted the 3x, which was positive. That came out as a minus 3x. And I subtracted a negative 5x squared, and that one became a plus 5x squared. 3 plus 5 gave me the 8. So when you subtract, you're changing the operation that looks to be in the second polynomial. None of the exponents change.